Hello my little witchlings, and today we are going to be reviewing the Colourpop Lilac Alot palette, so stay tuned. So like I said, we are going to be reviewing the Lilac Alot. That is a mouthful. You know how many times I've had to redo this intro because I cannot say that word. But anyways, we're going to be reviewing the Lilac Alot palette from Colourpop. And it is absolutely beautiful. And if you know me and you know my channel, I absolutely love purples. Purples, purples, purples. I also have before I think I've done a review though. I've done a review on this palette as well. It's my Pleasure palette from Colourpop. And honestly, between the two of these palettes, so this is it's my Pleasure palette, and then this is the Lilac palette. And if you put them together, look at all the beautiful purples we have here. They are absolutely gorgeous. Like, can you ask for any more purples than this? But it's beautiful. But I want to do some swatches with you guys and a little try on to see, see if you guys like it, see if I like it. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers in this palette. So the mattes are, let's see, let me flip it over so I can actually read it. Imagine That, which is this like pinkish brown, Ghostin', Zoned Out, Iffy, and Filtered. So let's do a swatch of these. So let's see. So those are the mattes. They are a little chunky, but they are pretty. They are very pigmented, as you can tell by my little fingertips. So let's wash that off. And let's do the shimmers next. So then we have Cloud. Oh my God, they are so like kickback though. Wake Me, Fluff, and Trainwreck. And those are those swatch. They are beautiful though, but like the kickback, like I just demolished the Cloud in my palette, so I'm just trying to press it back in so it doesn't look so icky. I do wish that Colourpop would make a gray tone palette, because they have so many palettes. Like seriously, hold on, these are just the ones in the containers that I have. This is a lot of palettes, and there's like so many different colors, but there's no gray. So if you really want a good gray palette, you've got to use like the Jeffree Star, what one is it? The Blue Blood palette, because they have some beautiful grays, and I'm really starting to love working with grays. I just wish that Colourpop would make a gray palette as well. If you want to see how I got today's look, just keep watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. I know I am not a makeup artist, but hey, I tried. And if you guys are interested in getting this palette, I think it retails for like $13 if I'm not mistaken, here or there, a couple dollars. They're absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I have the whole collection, and Colourpop's killing me because every time Colourpop drops one of these little plastic palettes, I have to add it to my collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.